This 2026 Cherokee 26 DBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Cherokee is 31 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, slide out, stovetop burner, microwave, air conditioning, LP detector, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Cherokee 26 DBH is 6,507 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.